Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys the latest update on Coin Airdrop regarding the listing date and the pre-market on various exchanges. So guys, I'm going to show you guys right now. Earlier on, we were told that the listing date for Coin token is on the 25th of January, but as it stands now, it has been rescheduled. I'm going to be showing you guys now the update on that. So let me first of all go over to the official channel of Coin. Let me cancel out now. Let me go over to it. Let me do that real quick. Let me open the community. So guys, now you can see here's the official Telegram channel. You can see it has over 12.8 million subscribers. Let me get to the latest post now. So guys, now you can see it right there. Let me get to read it. It says Coin NFT pre-market is coming. You can see, let me continue reading. Mates, the Coin ecosystem is moving forward. We are excited to launch the Coin Vouchers pre-market in a few days. So guys, now you can see the Coin Vouchers pre-market has kickstarted, and you can actually exchange your Coin for vouchers, and you can sell the vouchers as well. You can see the steps that is listed there. Let me get to read it. They said exchange Coin for vouchers. Trade vouchers on getgames.io. You can see you can trade it there in that website. So if you want to trade your vouchers after you've exchanged your Coin, you go over to that website, the getgems.com, to trade your vouchers. And the third one, they said you can convert your vouchers into Coin token at the token generation event. So at the token generation event, if you have exchanged your Coin for vouchers, you can actually convert it into Coin token at the token generation event. Let me continue reading. You can see they said now about the listing. So we're about to get to know the information about the listing. You can see to secure the best conditions for Airdrop, the listing date has been adjusted to 25th February. So they are giving us a 1 month gap from the initial date. The initial date was 25th January. Now we have 25th February. Let me continue reading. They said this extra time will allow us to make the launch even stronger, brighter, and more successful. We know delays can be frustrating, and we truly appreciate your patience. Bureaucracy takes time, but we are committed to doing it right, not just like everyone else. Stay active together, we are making history. So guys can see the NFT vouchers pre-market will soon start, so you can be able to exchange your Coin for vouchers. So guys, this is the latest update on the Coin airdrop, and you can see the NFT pre-market is coming, which is one thing you have to take note, and the listing has been adjusted to the 5th of February. 25th of February. Take note of this and work in accordance to it. So guys, now I've come to the end of this video, and I believe this video was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. See you in our next upload. Bye. Peace.